Hi, today I am going to show you how to use Derived Sketch in SolidWorks. Let's start. So initially I have created one block in SolidWorks. So click this face and go to Sketch and keep it normal and draw one sketch. Say OK. So I am taking simple extrude. Now, so I want to make similar feature other side of the face. Select sketch, control, select this face. And select Derived Sketch. So automatically it creates. Here we cannot modify the dimensions, only we can change the location. So come out of the sketch and we can create similar feature. So that's how we use Derived Sketch. So this is the reference sketch and the other one is Derived Sketch. Thank you.